Okay, so as promised, I told you I would help you to learn how to add mixed numbers by creating improper fractions. And it's a little bit easier than the previous video. So let's have a look at this. We're first going to make all of these mixed numbers into improper fractions, and we've learned how to do that. That's nice and easy, but I'll just write it out in steps. So the first one is going to be over 3, and it's going to be 3 times 3 plus 2. 3 times 3 plus 2. Plus, the next one's over 3. 3 times 2 plus 1. 3 times 2 plus 1. Plus, the next one's over 3. 3 times 1 plus 1. 3 times 1 plus 1. Okay, so let's work them out. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 2 is 11 over 3. Plus, next one, 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7 over 3. Do you see how we're getting our improper fractions here? 3 times 3 is 1. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4, so 4 over 3. Now we can add them up. Look, we've got common denominators, so that's really not a problem for us. So all we're doing is we are adding up the top. 11 plus 7 is 18, plus 4 is 22. So we're left with 22 over 3. Now that's an improper fraction. We need to convert it back to a mixed number. So 3 divided into 22 would go 7 times, because 3 times 7 is 21. 22 minus 21 will leave us a remainder of 1 over 3. See how easy that is. Let's do one more. Okay. So we have a need to convert these into improper fractions. The first one is going to be 5 plus 2, 7 over 5. The next one is going to be 10 plus 3, 13 over 5. The next one is going to be 5 times 1 plus 1, so that's going to be 5 plus 1 is 6 over 5. Right, and so we're going to end up over 5 with 7 plus 13, that's 20, plus 6 is 26 over 5. 26 over 5 is an improper fraction, so we need to change it back to a mixed number. We're going to say 5 divided into 26. It can go 5 times, because 5 times 5 is 25. 26 minus 25 is a remainder of 1 over 5. Okay, right. So this is the one where you're going to get to press pause. You're going to copy it down, and then you're going to come and press play, and you're going to do it with me. See just now. Okay, let's look at it. First, we're going to convert them into improper fractions. So this one will be 3 times 4 is 12, plus 1 is 13. This one will be 4 times 2 is 8, plus 2 is 10. And this one will be 4 times 1 is 4, plus 1 is 5. Right, now let's add them. Okay, 13 plus 10 is 23, plus 5 is 28. 28 over 4 is an improper fraction. We're going to change it back into a mixed number. Well, it's actually going to become a whole number. Look at that. 4 can go into 28 exactly 7 times, so there isn't even a fraction left. That one worked out very nicely. I hope it didn't trick you when you did it at home. Okay, so now you know there's another alternative to adding mixed numbers. You don't always have to add them with a carry of a fraction like in the previous video. You can add them by converting them into improper fractions and then reconverting the answers back to mixed numbers if you need to. Otherwise, you're left with a whole number like on this page. Well done.